In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product/service bundle in QuickBooks Online. A bundle is simply a convenient way to group multiple products and services so you can add them to invoices, estimates, or sales receipts in one click. This is especially handy if you sell a standard package, like a setup service paired with a few items, and you want to keep your sales forms consistent and fast to fill out. Start by heading to the sales area on the left-hand navigation. From there, open Products and Services. This is your catalog of everything you sell, and it's the place where bundles live alongside individual products and services. If you don't see a product or service you plan to include, make sure it's created first so you can add it to your bundle in a moment. Next, look to the top right and select New, then choose Bundle as the product type. Picking Bundle tells QuickBooks you're creating a grouped item rather than a single product. Think of it like a container that holds other items you already sell, so you don't have to add each one to a transaction every time. Now it's time to set up the details. Give your bundle a clear, recognizable name. Use a name your team and your customers will immediately understand, like Starter Installation Package or Consultation and Materials. If you use SKUs to track what you sell, enter an SKU for the bundle as well. This can make reporting and internal searches easier, especially if your catalog is large. Add a thoughtful description that explains what the bundle includes or the purpose it serves. This helps avoid confusion when the bundle appears on sales forms and ensures customers know exactly what they're getting. With the basics in place, select the products and services you want to include in the bundle. You can search by name and add each item that belongs in the package. Include anything that's part of the standard offering, whether it's a physical product, a service, or a mix of both. If you regularly sell this group together, bundling them now will save time and reduce errors later. And there you go. You've navigated to your product catalog, created a new bundle, named it clearly, added an ETI SKU and a helpful description, and selected the items that make up the bundle. The next time you build a transaction, you'll be able to add this entire package in one step, making your workflow faster, clearer, and more consistent. That's all.